Here we have the coffee whisper loader kit. You get a complete coffee loader with 15 feet of flexible hose, 2 hose clamps, a pickup lance made out of aluminum, a complete PLC control panel, and you can get an optional portable feed bin hopper. Let me tell you about how easy it is to install the coffee whisper loader kit. It really is plug and play. You have your mounting flange and you have a bolt pattern. Just bolt it down on top of a roaster, a hopper, anything you want. It will be really secure. Then you take your flexible hose and it fits really snug onto the inlet. You can use the hose clamps to secure it down further. You can take the other end of the flexible hose, fit it onto the pickup lance. Make sure you leave a gap between the outer tube and the inner tube. This will allow air to come in and help your system convey better. The PLC control panel is easy as well. There's really only 2 control cords. You have the yellow one here, 7-pin, plugs right into the motor. You want to align the notch with the key on the receptacle. Just push up against it. You'll feel it come in a little bit and then start twisting and everything will fall into place. Next you have the electrical cord, 3-prong, plugs right into any standard 120 volt outlet. And the control panel here has 4 mounting tabs so you can secure it down to any type of structure or frame. Here we have the box tangential design for soft technology. It really is really gentle on your product and will keep it intact. Up here we have the vacuum motor, and the vacuum motor actually comes with a muffler to dissipate the sound. Another key feature is the latches here to be able to access the filters whenever it's time for maintenance. Just pull the lever up and everything unlatches easily. Just lift the lid to latch back down. The Viber pull system will shoot a burst of air, compressed air, onto the filter. Keeps it clean, keeps product from sticking to it, and ensure that you have maximum vacuum at all times. Down here we have the dump valve assembly. Comes with the high-level sensor that's perfectly suited to keep a continuous head of material, filling a hopper below. The PLC control panel is really easy to use. You just have a power on here. You have a knob to control the speed of the motor. You control the speed. This is really important. If you have a very fragile beans that come in, you want to lower it just a bit. And 3 key timers here. You hit OK. You scroll down to parameters, hit OK again, and you see some timers. T1 is your run timer. That controls the time in seconds in which the vacuum runs. T3 is your dumping timer. And T4 is the time in between the filter pulses. Everything is preset. That's perfect for coffee roasting. All these timers are adjustable. Now that we have everything installed, let me show you how easy your work will be. We're going to convey green beans with a pickup lance into the coffee whisper loader. And once you're done filling your roaster, just shut it off. Obviously this is a roasting application. Don't forget that this could do so many different types of things. If you want to fill, a grinder, a roaster, a packaging machine, it really does it all. As shown, the Coffee Whisper Loader Kit is really easy to install. It's efficient, it's safe for your employees. If you have any questions, we have tech support available. We're here to help. And they're in stock and ready to ship. You can have one in days.